Welcome to Stonk Insights, your one-stop spot for stock and crypto analysis and discovery. Remember guys, this is all from a retail investor's perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. Do your own due diligence. Today, we're going to be talking about a company that just IPO'd yesterday, Roblox, ticker symbol RBLX, or something like that. This is the Roblox homepage here. This avatar does not accurately represent Stock Insights, so no, that's not me. I just made this today just so we can take a look at it. You know, people are buying into it, and some people don't even know what Roblox is. You know, so that kind of amazes me that, you know, they're buying into something that they don't even know what it is. So let's just take a look at it, you know, from our perspective, you know, to see what's the big hype about this stock here. So as that loads up, let's just go over what Roblox is. So Roblox is a multiplayer gaming platform. It enables users to create games and likewise to be played by other creators. They have a huge, massive library of games from the creator. It's over 50 million games, so it's almost limitless of how many games, you know, that can be played on this platform here. Wow, this is taking a long time to load up. Leave a like down if you want to help me out with my internet. I'm not sure why this is taking so long. I just upgraded my internet. So yeah, like I said, it's an online gaming platform. The CEOs or founders, David Bazoukas and Eric Cassell, they founded this company in 2004. They released it in 2006 on PC form. It's also on iOS, Android, Xbox One being the latest, November 2015. So it has some legs underneath it. You know, this has been here for a little while. All right, it's loaded up. Take a look at some of the games here. So you have to have kids to kind of understand what this is. In my perspective, I have kids, and during the height of the pandemic, I do know that they were playing this like crazy, which is interesting because they did see, you know, massive expansion during the height of the pandemic. You know, during the quarantines when there's being imposed. You know, we had limited social interaction, so kids were jumping onto Roblox and communicating with each other, you know, through these games. So that kept this platform going, you know. All right, so let's just look at it, all the games that they have. Looks like a bunch of them. Let's click over to the avatar shop, and as I do that, it's probably going to take another year or two for that to load up. That's great. Let's talk about something that's real important. The business model for Roblox. This is what all investors should be striving to understand, the business model and the stocks that we're investing in. So how does Roblox make money? Well, they have a few different ways. They have advertising deals. They have licensing agreements. They have royalties. This here that I'm bringing up that is slowly loading up here, this is one of their main ways. So Roblox has an in-game currency called Robux. Definitely know about that. Kids always asking, can you give me Robux? Can you buy your Robux? Can you buy your Robux? So what Robux does is allows you to buy certain filters, certain disguises, certain clothing articles and things of that nature in the game. You can earn Robux in the game, you know, just through playing it. But obviously, some of the higher costing things would takes longer time for, you know, someone to get to it. So you can bypass, you know, doing it through the game and actually purchase Robux. That this is trying to load up and taking a million years, and they have different prices on, you know, certain items in the game. So that's very interesting as far as the things that they offer and their business model. They have made a killing with this business model, especially during, you know, the height of the pandemic. They say that they've seen an increase in their valuation from $4 billion to $29 billion. And they say that they attribute that all largely a large part of that to the pandemic. You know, people are at home, kids can't go outside, kids can't interact with each other, they're on lockdown. So what are they doing? They're on the gaming systems, you know, interacting with each other, and they were just a battle of the gaming systems. You know, this was one of them that was a winner. I believe this was in the top 3 in revenue income in 2020, which is massive. This business model here, this reminds me of the V-Bucks business model that's associated with Fortnite. I know my son, he asked, you know, hey, can you give me V-Bucks? Buy me V-Bucks. That's for Fortnite. That's what this reminds me a lot of. So it's interesting how they have those same aspects. All right, so let's take a look at another article to see why Roblox jumped so much yesterday. IPO yesterday, and they jumped high. Big time Tesla bull Cathie Woods, their ARK ETFs, the ARK Next Generation ETF, actually purchased 500 shares of Roblox yesterday on IPO day, and that in itself caused the share price to jump through the roof. Yeah, this is a good thing. And you know, I personally would say, remember, don't take my word for anything, I would personally say she's a good stock picker. She's been on the Tesla bandwagon for a long time, when some of the most famous shorts were going after Tesla. So this bodes well for Roblox. As you can see off here to the side, this is just some of the price action for Roblox today, and it's showing the week too. So you're seeing the huge price increase with Roblox coming out. And I think it's going to be a great stock, in my own opinion. You know, just because, you know, I have kids, so I do see how often they play it, how much they enjoy the game, how often they ask to buy for Robux. You know, and it's an incentive in my household for them to get stuff done. So you know, that's a good thing, and you know, this they have a good business model. They've seen huge growth. They've been in the game for a while, since 2006, so they know some of the ins and outs of the market as far as the gaming industry goes. The stock itself is going to be blowing up. The stock is going to be outperforming other stocks in the gaming industry. So thank you for watching.